The viral video of NTANDO DUMA, Miss Duma, has finally came forward and slammed the claims that it was her. She said in a post, and I quote, "I legit almost believed that was me in that video. As a fan and I'm lengane, but for confirmation, it was definitely not me, and I would never do anything of that nature." Now, comments flooded a post, of course, with most saying that the lady definitely looks like her, but it's not her. And some saying it was her, just that she doesn't want to admit. NTANDO on the other side was blocking those with negative comments left, right, and center, honey. Okay, LJ says, "Of that nature, don't you have a child, Kanti? Didn't you produce a child after doing things of that nature?" Sandisa says, "I told my husband that wasn't you." Now that comment is kind of disturbing. How in the devil did your husband, Sandisa, get his hands on that video? Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't seen the video, unfortunately, I cannot put it here, but just go to NTANDO DUMA's Twitter, scroll to the comment section, and you will definitely see it. Or you can just go to the net and just search NTANDO DUMA's viral sex tape video, and you'll surely see it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's for me. I'm signing out. I'll see you next time.